Okay, welcome back to so that was review 1, this is review 2. And I wanted to focus on so we're given this expression and we've just realized why we can put y equal to 0, and then when you end up with these three coordinates which we same down here. Okay. But what confused me was the fact that you're essentially splitting this into three equations. You've got that, then you've got that and that, and then you've got that and that. Okay, so what I had to, because I was like, why can you? I understand that if you put y to 0, you're going to get these points here. Right. What I didn't understand is that why you can just deal with this thing and get this and just ignore this in the meantime. Okay, but essentially it's just a question of convention. We can actually look at this, right, as three separate equations. We can, you've got that, and then you're solving for this, and then you're solving for this. Okay, so you've got, essentially you can split this into three different equations. That's what it is. There should be no more confusion about it, because I just couldn't get my head around why you could just concentrate on this and then you get this, but ignoring this and this. What are you doing with this in the meantime? But it's just a convention and the way it's been written. Essentially, this is just three equations. Okay, so that's all I want to say on that. But the next video, okay, so we can split this into three equations when we're solving for x's. Okay, when we're trying to find the x values. But over here, what confused me was the fact that you then, when you were solving for y over here, okay, when you're putting y, the x is equal to 0, why it was that you're essentially going back to using the whole equation, seeing the whole equation, rather than sort of say splitting each equation up, as we did in the first thing. So that's what I'm going to cover in the next video. So see you then. And when you just look at this, it looks even more confusing than ever. But we'll see you for review number 3 in the next video.